Hello student, in previous class we have studied about basic concept in geometry. Now today we are going to learn practice set 1. First question, look at the figure given below and name the following. Observe this figure and find out collinear points. We have studied that when 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single straight line, they are called collinear points. In this figure, point M, point O and point T are collinear points. This is the first set of collinear points. We will write point M, point O and point T are collinear points. Second set of collinear points are point R, point O, point N. These 3 points lie on a single straight line. So this is the second set of collinear points. Point R, point O and point N. These are collinear points. Next, we will find about rays. We have studied that rays start at one point and goes forward in all direction. So in this figure, O is the origin of ray. So the name of rays are ray OM, ray OT, ray OP, ray ON, ray OS, ray OR. Now write down the name of rays. Ray OM, ray OT, ray OR, ray OS, ray OP and ray ON. Next we will find about line segments. We know that line segment has 2 endpoints which do not extend from both sides. So if we take these 2 points, point M and O, so the name of line segment should be line segment OM, say OR, say OS, say OT, say ON and say OP. Now we will write the name of line segment. In short, we write say OM, say OR, say OS, say OT, say ON and say OP. Now we will find lines. We know that line is having 2 arrowheads which indicate that line can extend on both sides. So in this figure, how many lines are there? There are 2 lines, line MT and line RN. Write down the name of lines, line MT and line RN. Now come to the second question. Write the different names of the line. Observe this line. On this line there are 4 points. So if we choose any 2 points, we can write as a line name. Line L, line AB, line BC, line CD and line AD. So in this way we can write the name of lines. Now come to the fourth question. Observe the figure below and name the parallel lines, the concurrent lines and the point of concurrence in the figure. Now observe the figure. First we will find parallel lines. We have studied that when two lines which lie in a single plane but do not intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. Observe the figure and tell me which are the parallel lines. Near point A. Here line B, line M and line Q are parallel lines. So we will write here line B, line M and line Q are parallel lines. Now tell me which is the second set of parallel lines? Yes, line A and line P. These two lines are parallel to each other. So write down line A and line P are parallel lines. Now we will find concurrent lines. We have studied that when three or more than three lines passing through a single point, they are called concurrent lines. So now find near from point A, how many lines are passing? Line A, line B, line C and line AC passing through point A. So these are concurrent lines and A is the point of concurrence. Write down concurrent lines. Line A, line B, line C and line AC are concurrent line. This is the first set of concurrent line. Now tell me near point C, is there concurrent lines? No, because near point C only two lines passing through point C. So line M and line AC are not concurrent lines. Now find out near point D, how many lines passing? Line P, line Q and line CD. Three lines passing through point D. So these are concurrent lines and D is the point of concurrence. Write down concurrent line, second set. Line P, line Q and line CD. These lines are concurrent lines. Now we will find point of concurrence. A is the point of concurrence and D is the point of concurrence. So write down point A and point D. These are 2 points of concurrence. So today's homework is solve practice set 1 question number 3rd. Match the following. Solve in your notebook and send me tomorrow. Thank you.